Welcome to the Silk Walk Studio Live. Today morning I had posted a story like what are the kind of new arrivals that you would like to see, and many of you all had given us a lot of suggestions. So most importantly, the biggest number of requests were for pocket friendly silk sarees and Chinalam Pattu. Okay, we are planning to do one live in the next month, and with regards to Chinalam Pattu sarees, and we had lot of requests for bridal silk sarees, and yeah, something very new, exclusive sarees and all that. And we also had some requests for Onam sarees. I think we just released a small edition of Onam special sarees. We'll try to bring in more about the Onam sarees. We'll just try, because we didn't plan much for that, but we'll try and we'll do that. But otherwise, the request, as I told you, was for pocket friendly and the bride sarees, bridal collection. Okay, so somehow we had planned the same for today's live. So if you are there in today's live session, if you are there watching us, please leave us your hearts and your thumbs up. If you are there, let us know, and also let us know if I am audible on Facebook.
Shruti says hi.
Hi Shruti.
Not Shruti. It starts with a D.
Okay.
Ramya Sudarshan, hi Jonah.
Hi Ramya. So it was a planned live, but I was quite unsure if I had to do a live video on the sarees, or just a table video, or just an opening video would do. But suddenly we changed our mind. Okay, we thought a live session would be more interactive and more fun. So we thought, okay, we'll come live for today. And anyways, we postponed the time to 7:30.
Srimanvar said hi.
Hi.
Kalyani said looking beautiful, ma'am.
Hi Kalyani.
Spurti said hello, good evening.
Hi Spurti, welcome. Hello guys, hi. I hope you all are doing safe and sound.
Maithili said hi.
Hi Maithili.
Jane, hi dear.
Hi da.
Shweta, hello Jorka.
Hi Shweta.
Shilpa, hi.
Hi Shilpa. Hi guys.
And Kiran, hi Joe.
Hi Kiran.
And many like.
Okay,
hi.
Many of you all had joined. Good.
Hi from Emma.
Okay, so I think we'll start off very quickly, right? Because we have a lot of regular people watching us. So I think we'll start very quickly
Kirtika said
now.
hi Jonah.
Hi guys.
Yeah, we can start.
Yeah, so first set, what I'm going to show you. I just mentioned the price, and all of these sarees are already available on our website. You can find them under 7th August live. Okay, there is one category on the website. You can find them. All of them is already uploaded on the website. But otherwise, if you want to find this saree will be listed under the pocket friendly or under the Togai collection. The price of the saree is 6450.
Shobha said hello.
Hi Shobha. So we are starting off with one beautiful pastel silk saree. I remember somebody was asking for a similar saree. What we posted earlier was somewhere 8,900, and they wanted a similar saree in the 6,000 range. I think if that person is watching us, probably this is one option for them. Okay, it's a light pastel shade, and it comes with a beautiful pallu, and it comes with a brocade work blouse, all of it in gold zari. Okay, it has beautiful floral motifs all over the body. Sorry, not all over, it has these motifs on the borders, flower motifs.
Shalini said hello Jonah, how are you? Good evening.
Fine Shalini, thank you. So price of the saree is 6450.
And Clavio, hello Jonah.
Hi da.
And as request from Kalyani, ma'am, can you start a dress material, ma'am?
We already have one page which is called Tattai, where we have been selling our dress fabrics, salwar fabrics. It's called Tattai by the Silk Walk Studio. But these days we haven't been posting much because we are quite held up with the sari section. Probably when I have some help I'll be able to concentrate more on the tattai section as well. Okay, so we'll be doing that soon. We'll be bringing that also. So this is in everybody's favorite shade. It's a Turkish shade with temple motifs, temple work on the borders in thread. Okay, there is totally no zari on the sari. That's the pallu, and it comes with a beautiful brocade work blouse. Very, very soft and elegant sari. Okay, price of this is 6450. You can find this under the pocket friendly section. Okay, so the next one is from our exclusives collection. So last time we showed you one lime green sort of a color. This time we have got you a beautiful pink shade, a light pink towards the, moving towards the lilac color. So that's the sari. It has beautiful geometric pattern on the body, the zari work in silver, and it comes with a very pretty pallu, and the blouse is a running blouse of the same color. Okay, 8,900 is the price. It's an exclusive sari. 8,900 is the price.
And a query from Shalini.
Yeah.
What are the surprises and offers coming up for the festival season?
August, yeah, we have a lot of plans with Chinnalam Pattu, pure silk sarees as usual. We have some Kanchivarams lined up, some Kanchivarams for the brides lined up. And yeah, let's see as the days goes. We'll probably have few silk cotton sarees as well.
And Kalyani said, okay ma'am.
Ah, okay, Kalyani.
And Ranjini Pandian, I love the saree I got from you. Reached Malaysia safely and well packed.
Thank you, Ranjini. I was very glad in helping you all, because there, I think the number of sarees, I think it was totally around 8 or 10, right? First set was about 4 or 5, and the next set was about again 6, 7, 8 sarees. So you have got quite a good number.
And she also mentioned, can't wait to buy more soon.
Thank you, Ranjini. Thank you so much.
And Reshma said, hi ma'am.
Hi. Okay, so lovely Turkish shade with beautiful tilagam, sort of tilagam motifs. I hope we have pictures of all these sarees available on the website. So please go ahead and see the pictures of these sarees, and then you can do the booking. It comes with a very, very gorgeous pallu. So see how beautiful the pallu is, and that's the blouse. It comes with a brocade work, full brocade work blouse.
She bought 11.
Yeah, 11. Okay, so that's the blouse. Okay, it's a full brocade work blouse, and the price of the saree is 6,900. Okay, never will you get it for such a price. So actually I was planning to take this saree, but okay, anyways, I had one more in this color, so I just gave it. I thought, okay, I'll give it to you guys. So it's a beautiful saree. 6,900 is the price.
And Vijaya asked, I want Mangalagiri saree.
Yeah, Vijaya ma'am, okay.
Vijaya Balusu.
Vijaya ma'am.
And Priyu, wonderful collections you guys have. We'll surely buy some more sarees from you for sure.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, people, all of our lovely people. Thank you so much. So now we'll see a few sarees which are listed under the bride series. Okay. Again, let me tell you, these are pure soft silk sarees. And if it is a Kanchivaram, then we mention Kanchivaram saree. And these are Kanchivaram soft silk sarees. Okay. And the price of these sarees that I'm going to show you now is all 8,900. Brilliant work on the body. It can be suitable for any occasion related to wedding, housewarming. Okay, it can be for the bride herself, it can be for the bride's sister. Again, I repeat, it can be for the bride's mom, anybody. Okay, and so because the sari is so grand and rich, it would provide you such a gorgeous look. Okay, so it's a lavender sari with gold zari work. So we had one sari which was shown in the last video in red color. The same kind of zari work on this sari also, the same design. Okay, it comes with a beautiful pallu like this and a blouse. Okay, go for a contrast blouse on this sari with some nice embroidery work. I think the sari is going to look fabulous. Okay, 8,900.
Sunita says this is so classy.
Thank you. Okay, this is one unique shade. It's sort of a brown and a pink together. A dual tone with gold zari. And it has two patterns on the body, like, okay, checks, a little bigger checks and a little small checks. So that's how it alternates in gold zari. That's the pallu and that's the blouse. I just read one of the review from a person who bought this type of sari from the Bride series. They said the sari is looking fabulous. The entire family loved the sari.
Someone says great color.
Thank you.
Kyle says nice color.
Thank you. All are beautiful colors. See, this one is in a golden yellow. So it's a beautiful color. Let's see how it looks. Go for a contrast red color blouse for the sari. Okay, so when you're pinning it up, the sari will look like this. They are borderless, but to compensate that, there is full zari work on all over the body. That's the blouse.
I am going indecisive with the saris I have chosen. Hope to pick the one before it gets sold out.
Yaar?
Man.
Baby Dawn. It's
Forgot the
Insta
name.
name. No.
Instagram
Insta name. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this is one, it's sort of a magenta
What
shade.
is the price of the previous one?
All of these are priced at 8,900, guys.
Kushbu says lovely color.
Thank you. So this is one sort of a magenta red and 8,900 is the price.
Clavio says OMG, this is so beautiful.
Thank you.
Kalyani says wow, beautiful.
Thank you, Kalyani. Absolutely gorgeous sari. Very, very beautiful. The color and the work, both are beautiful. Pallu, blouse. 8,900 is the price. Okay, now we have a very new, it's a new color. This color, it's sort of a dual color, wherein you can see a green and a sort of a blue.
Mix of a powder blue kind of, not.
ஒரு மாதிரி green and blue. So ஒரு டைம்ல green-ஆ தெரியுது, ஒரு டைம்ல ஒரு மாதிரி light blue-ஆ தெரியுது. வீடியோல தெரியுதா? Okay.
Hello.
Same design like the previous one. Comes with a beautiful pallu and the blouse. 8,900 is the price. Okay, so this is again one brilliant design. So same design we had posted some videos earlier. Okay, first time I think I'm showing it to y'all in a live video. So it's a beautiful design. It has a border. Okay, border is quite a distinct border with zari work, and this one is a nice red, a dark red.
Sai Selvi says wow, very pretty.
Thank you. And they are Kanchi soft silks. That's the pallu, blouse. Pallu. Okay, 8,900 is the price. Okay, so now let's move on to some pocket-friendly silk sarees. So these sarees are priced at 4,900. Very, very soft drape. So this one is in a dark brown with a purple shade, purple borders, and that's the pallu.
Shruti says this Bride series is beautiful.
They are the sarees that we showed you in the Bride series. All of them are brilliant. the colors and the designs. That's the blouse.
Where can we find these sarees online?
They are already available on our website, thesilkworkstudio.com, and you can find them if you want to explore the website. You can find them under the exclusives category, or you can find them under the bride series. But if you want to just go directly and purchase, then it is available under 7th July.
7th August.
7th August live.
I shared the link there.
Okay, great.
And Sunita is asking what is the Audi sale offer.
Adi sale coming. I have about 4 or 5 sarees to show you.
Is it brown or black?
That's brown.
Brown.
It's
Dark
it's
brown.
a dark brown. Okay, so now this one is in a grey with a green. Very different combo. Pallu blouse.
Anita says, as always, summer color and collection.
Thank you, Anita. So price of these sarees are 4,900. Okay, so now we have one yellow and pink. Mustard yellow with a pink. Pallu, blouse. Super. 4,900 is the price. Very, very soft and lightweight sarees. Beautiful color combo. Very pretty shade. Pallu, blouse.
Kushbu says, wow, amazing combination.
Thank you. Okay, next. These sarees are under the exclusives collection. Okay, I'll come closer to show you how the design on the saree is. I hope you can see some lines. Yeah. So that's how the saree, the whole of the saree has small zari lines. Probably I'll show you in a different color. It's in a beautiful golden yellow shade.
Sunita says, your collections are so unique and elegant as always, Joanna.
Thank
Fan
you.
of the Silkwork Studio.
Thank you, Sunita. Sunita Kumaraswamy.
Sunita BK.
BK, correct. So beautiful sari, 7450 is the price. It has small zari work on both sides, small zari border on both sides, very small border, and the whole of the body has the lines. Okay, that's the pallu, that's the blouse. It comes with a plain blouse with just the borders. Okay, 7450. I'll show you in this sari. Probably I think you will be able to make out. Yeah, you can see the lines, right? Okay. Because I was worried even if in the pictures the lines are not that clear, so I just wanted to show you in the video. A beautiful fuchsia pink. It has a slight orange shade also. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Different combination. The pink and the green, it's quite a different combo. It's not the regular ones, no? Okay, a lot of people were asking me for green sarees this season. I don't know, probably because of the Valagapu and for the festival probably. So we have one beautiful green saree.
Prakriti says, beautiful collections.
Thank you, Prakriti. I think she got recently one saree. Very, very pretty. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Okay, beautiful. 7450 is the price. So now we have a few sarees on RD sale. Okay, Adi sale offer. Okay, these sarees were priced at 8,900. Now it is available for 6,900 flat rate. I'll just show you one saree. No, I'll show you 3 sarees, and we have 2 more sarees on the website. Okay, so same design, same pattern. One is in a grey, and I think the other one is a black. So all of these sarees were priced at 8,900, and now it is available for 6,900.
Anusha says this green is so royal.
Yeah, super on the green. If anybody wants, take it. So this is the saree. It's in a dark, it's in a maroon shade with silver zari borders. Comes with a contrast pallu like this and a blouse like this. Okay, 6,900 is the price. Kanchi pure soft silk. So we have one in a nice blush pink. With gold zari borders. 8,900 was the price. Now it is available for 6,900. That's the pallu. And it comes with a blouse which has some beautiful paisley motifs all over. That's the blouse piece. 6,900 is the discount price. We have one in a royal blue with gold zari. It's a beautiful saree. These sarees are already available on the website, and we haven't changed the price on the website. It is still 8,900 on the website. If you want to do a booking, please message us to do the booking. That's how the saree would look. It comes with a pallu and a plain blouse. Sorry, the blouse, the saree also, the blouse has this work, this paisley work, okay, all over the body, and it comes with a border. That's how the blouse would look. So apart from this, we have 2 other sarees. One is a grey and one is a black. So those sarees also come under the RD offer. The sale is, it was priced at 8,900. Now it is priced at 6,900. Any queries, please let us know. Otherwise, yeah, I'm done showcasing the sarees.
Do you have anything in ivory?
Not today. Ivory collection, yes, we have planned for a set. It will come soon. Right now, it is not available. Anything else?
People are silent.
Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us. As I told you, all of these sarees are available to book from our website, thesilkworkstudio.com. You can find under the category 7th August Live. You can also find them under the respective categories like the Bride series, the Pocket Friendly, or the Exclusives. I would have mentioned, and accordingly you can find them. So, well, I think everything is clear. Apart from that, if you don't find the saree on the website, you can always message us on our WhatsApp number 7676025364. Well, thank you.
Jane, last message. Super da.
Thank you, Jane. Yeah, well, thank you so much, guys, for joining. See you until next time. Bye-bye.